In this tutorial video we will show you how to recover or reset your password in case of forgot password. Go to the CSC login page and navigate to forgot password. Enter your registered email ID. Enter the captcha and click on Send Password Reset link. A confirmation message will be shown. Now check your email inbox. In case if password reset mail is not in your inbox, check the junk or spam. Click on Reset Password button. If the button is not working, then use the link given in the email. Enter your email ID. Enter your new password. Re-enter your new password. Enter the captcha code and click on Reset Password. On success, it will redirect to the CSC dashboard. This is how you can recover your password. Thank you for watching the tutorial video.